Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust parking brake on Nissan Frontier full guide. Start by parking on level ground, chalking wheels, and engaging the brake. Next, locate the adjuster under the truck near the rear brake assembly and inspect cables for rust or fraying. I will guide you through loosening the adjuster, setting proper pedal travel, and testing the system so you can drive confidently and safely. Begin the inspection by raising the rear of the truck safely with jack stands and removing the rear wheels if needed. Examine the cable route from the handle to the rear brakes, noting any sharp bends or contact points. Test lever or pedal motion while watching the cables and linkages for smooth travel. Report any damaged parts before adjustment so replacements can be made to ensure a reliable parking brake system. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical guides. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart navigation to handle dust and debris while you work on your truck. It's a handy helper for workshops and garages, and it makes cleanup effortless after a job. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With the truck secured, access the cable adjuster under the rear of the vehicle and use the appropriate wrench to turn the nut. Tighten in small increments, then set the brake and measure pedal travel or hand lever feel. You want firm engagement without excessive stiffness. Cycle the brake several times and recheck for proper hold on a slight incline. Finish by lowering the truck and performing a final road test to confirm consistent performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.